Oh boy. My goodness. You guys see that? We just got a weather alert on all our phones. It is going crazy right now, bro. I literally just I gotta open the trunk. Bro. I literally still have to go build my PC. Oh wait, no, it's not in the trunk. I still have to go build my PC, and yeah, at Ian's house. So I think my mom's gonna bring me. It's going to be pretty bad. Oh boy. Yeah, I still gotta build my PC, bro. We're gonna do that today. I can't believe it's already snowing, bro. That's insane. But I don't think I'm driving now that I think about it. My mom probably doesn't want me behind the wheel on this snowy day, so I'm probably just gonna sit over here because I don't even want to drive. So yeah. We're gonna be over here. Crazy. Man.
I think he goes in this way. Socket in forward, yep. Now we gotta figure out. If you put this in wrong, your entire computer breaks, so.
Nah, bruh. That's crazy. This is crazy, bro. This is insane. We're out here. We just put the RAM in. We're about to build this thing, man. Me, Marcel, and Ion. It's crazy, bro. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be insane. Yeah? Bruh. We've been here for 3 million years. Still haven't built this thing.
Alright, you know what? I'm about to take a video of this and ask what happened. Get on my chair. Get out.
You got that, Marcel? Chilling out here. Ah, plexiglass.
Does your motherboard have a light that tells you that changes color based on hardware issues?
I'll just post it online and then people smart.
I gotta charge my phone for real. Crazy.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
It's done! We did it! Oh my gosh.
Right,
We did it!
We need to...
Look how messy this room is.
Yeah, I wonder why.
I feel bad, Ryan. He's gotta clean
Yeah, have fun cleaning this up.
Y'all are helping with this.
Have fun cleaning this up, man.
I gotta go.
Yeah, I gotta go, man. I'm about to see y'all later without my PC. Alright. Hey! Oh! We did it! Yo, take a picture!
Oh, we don't have another list, never mind. Actually, you can print me, but yeah.
What is UAFE mode? Wait, execute.
It's the thing you want.
You will not believe the amount of troubleshooting and fixing we've had to do. It is 9:30 right now. We've had to do so much stuff just to get 5 out of the 6 fans working. That one doesn't work. but we just don't even care anymore because we've been trying to fix this for so long. So we have a half done, we have a semi-done PC. It's pretty much done. We're just missing an entire cap in there. We're missing something in there somewhere. I can't tell. Yeah, we're missing, like, you see that, those three things? There should be, like, a cap over that, but, like, we have to take it out because I lost screws under it. And it's just, dude, I don't even feel like talking about it, but yeah, one of the fans doesn't work. We don't know why. Don't care. We're done. But yeah, that is my PC. This is my PC right here. This is it. This is it. Oh my goodness, bruh. Dude, I'm about to just end it here, bruh. It's crazy, but there's my PC. That's it for today. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, it is 11:30 right now, so I could still get this clip in. Just letting y'all know I have it set up down here. HDMI does not work. Nothing connects. It's the GPU. I think it's out of place. I'm gonna have to move it to the other slot in the PC. I'm gonna have to take it apart. That stinks. I'm doing that tomorrow. I have cleaned up my room so it's less messy. But I'm just gonna go to bed. I'm done with today. Yeah, it's just gonna have to do that. That's it for today. See you guys tomorrow.